Tuesday, May 21st, I believe it is. Got 816 grams of oak wood. This is kind of dried, pretty well seasoned, we'll call it. 816 grams, and we're going to see what this weighs after it's made charcoal in a retort. I don't think anybody's ever done this. I've never seen this. So we're starting at 815, 816, somewhere around there. Alright, and we got this chunk of bamboo here marked with an X, so I won't forget which one it is, at 603 grams. So we're going to put both of these in the retort and make them into charcoal and see what happens. Okay, getting her filled up there. There's my 816 grams. What was this, 605 or something with the X? So we're going to get this barrel all filled up here today, hopefully. I don't know if I'll get it burned off, but I just needed to document those weights on those. We'll put those in last. We don't want them to get them bottom get all crushed up.